Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting crypto tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer XRP from Phantom Wallet to XMO in 2025. If you're looking to move your XRP holdings seamlessly, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Whether you're new to crypto or a pro, I'll keep it simple and straightforward so you can follow along easily. First off, before we dive in, make sure you have a few basics covered. You'll need the Phantom Wallet app installed on your device with your XRP already in it, and an active XMO account with your XRP deposit address ready. Always double-check that your accounts are secure. Enable two-factor authentication to protect your assets. Let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open the Phantom Wallet app on your phone or computer and log in using your password or biometric security. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet dashboard. Step 2. Locate your XRP balance in the asset list. Tap or click on it to select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Step 3. Hit the Send or Transfer button. Here, you'll need to paste in your XMO wallet address for XRP deposits. Make sure it's the correct one. Crypto transactions can be reversed. Step 4. Enter the amount of XRP you want to send. Keep an eye on any network fees. They can vary based on blockchain congestion. Review everything carefully to avoid errors. Step 5. Confirm the transaction. You'll get a prompt to approve it, and once it's sent, wait for the blockchain confirmation. It might take a few minutes. Finally, head over to your XMO account and check the deposit history to ensure your XRP has arrived. If it doesn't show up right away, give it some time or contact support. That's it. Transferring XRP doesn't have to be complicated, but always prioritize security in the ever-evolving crypto world of 2025. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.